Hi, I'm going to show you a little something you can do to make your liver bits last just a little bit longer. These are the liver bites that a lot of us, move back just a little bit, that a lot of us like to use in dog training. When you first get them, they come in pretty large bites that are too large for you to reward your dog, especially if you're doing a lot of repetitive training where you want to reward them pretty quickly. This is just going to be too much on their tummies. So what you'll notice a lot of us do is we chop them into manageable bits like this and put them in a different container. What happens when you do that is you get left with a lot of little bits that are too small to use, and even some that are almost dust-like. And I used to just throw those away, like all this bit here. And then one day I decided to try an experiment, and I started, after I chopped, putting the chopped bits so that they're easy to grab, you always have a supply ready, and then taking the dust bits, putting them in their own container, and pretty quickly you start to collect your dust bits. And I thought, well, what happens if these are freeze-dried? Let's add a little bit of water, and once you mix that around, you end up with sort of like a paste, reconstituting our liver. And at this point, you can just form little bits and you can train your dog and reward, or better yet, you can form these into little balls and refrigerate them. And it's just another way to reward your dog, something a little more, just a little bit different from the freeze-dried. And you're using more of the treat that you paid a little bit of money for. So give it a try.